Hey everybody, this is Advanced Classics coming to you today. This is episode number 1 of several that's going to be upcoming. Over the next couple weeks, we're going to try to do a video every week of a couple different cool cars that we have in the shop here. Every month we'll have cars that come in and go out. We sell on consignment, we do restoration work, and we buy, sell, and trade on random classic cars. Our cars of preference is GM cars. Today we're going to talk about an Oldsmobile. That's right, I said Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst Edition. These cars were produced in 1983 and 84. The 83 was the black car with a silver bottom, and the 84 was the gray car with a black bottom. 3,001 of these cars were produced. And this car is kind of unique because Oldsmobile was trying to bridge the gap between the muscle car and the luxury car, and they really didn't have a high-performance car at the time. And they produced this car, and it's really cool. It's got lightning rod shifters. It's got a specific paint scheme. It's got a fiberglass hood scoop, T-top car, luxurious interior for its air, and a Oldsmobile engine that displaces a whopping 307 cubic inches. So the 1980s was one of those times where smog and emissions were starting to come into play, and they really knocked down compression and hurt horsepower a lot. But nevertheless, it's a really cool car. It's a very nice survivor car. This car has not been restored, so one can appreciate that as a car enthusiast. So hang tight and we'll do a quick walk around on the car. All right, here's the 1983 Oldsmobile Hurst Edition. Thing looks pretty good under here. It's got the original sticker. It does have the carpet in the trunk. Looking at the video, it looks kind of gray. It's actually not. It's actually black, very black. I pulled it in here in a booth where I have a lot of light. Got a few scratches down here on the tape part. It's just a little scuff mark. On the side. The car's really dirty right now. It's been sitting for a while. I haven't washed it. It's got handprints all over it. See the reflection in the paint there. It's pretty good. It's a solid driver quality car. The lights are on. Here on the bumper you can see a couple little scuffs, but again it's on the tape. Under the hood's pretty basic. The engine has been out of the car before. It's been gone through. Tim Godfrey has all the information on that, and I can get it for you if you're interested. The car does have the compressor. All the smog stuff's back on the car, and it has cold air conditioning. I'm gonna get down here low so we can see the body panels. It's pretty straight. It does have some discoloration on the gray. Again, I think all the gray is original. I don't think it's ever been painted. All right, I'm going to stop this video and go ahead and get the next one started. Okay, video number 2. I'm going to go inside the car. That visor on that side over here is drooping just a little bit, but not too bad. Lightning rod shifters. Steering wheel's nice on the car. And the gauges are nice on the car. think you asked yesterday about the radio. It's not stock, it's some kind of a Sony unit. The windows work on the car, both do. Now this mirror is a little bit loose, not bad, but just a little bit. And then on the other side I'm just going to crack it. Rockers. Some really cool seats, but you see it's got a little crack in it here. And light wear, very light wear along the side. The passenger seat looks great. And the back seats look pretty good. It's black, it's really hard to tell anything about. Okay, last one on the car. Let's see if I can reach this. I'm going to get down here really low this time. This is the quarter panel I was telling you about. It's got just a little bit of trash. I don't know if you can see it. Just very little. Right here's a spot. The Phillips looks really good. It's dirty in here. It's nothing other than dust. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Try to pull this top back. Up there, and I can't set the top off with one hand. Got a little bit of discoloration here across the top. Very minor stuff. A little bit of discoloration on the bottom down here. Otherwise, it's a really jam-up car. It's a nice car. Like I said, it's a good driver quality car. It could go to the next level. I need to replace the tape. All right, guys and girls, what do you think about that? Like I said, that was a really cool car. It's a really rare car. Make sure that you leave comments. Let me know what I can do better about the videos. This is just videos for fun, and you know, if you're out there looking for information or a good example for the car, hopefully this video will help you out a little bit. Turn on notifications, like our page, subscribe. We've also got a Facebook page, Advanced Classics. You can go on there and see a couple builds we've done and cars that's passed through the shop. Next, coming up on the second video, we're going to do a walk around and review and a test drive on a Trans Am WS6. Now, those cars were made from 98 to 2002 with LS1. One of my favorite cars by a long shot. Definitely one of my top threes. It's a nice car as well, so I'm anxious to get that to you. But by all means, I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching this video.